This was our honeymoon, and standing there watching this, it didn't even feel real. It was one of those moments where everything just slows down and you realize how special it actually is. Being there together in that moment, it just meant so much more than we expected. It wasn't about the fireworks, it was just about us. And honestly, it's something we'll probably remember forever.
Por eso veo.
The fireworks took place on July 14th, and we had actually planned our honeymoon to take part around this time because we wanted to be here for this special moment in history. So, with this, we ended up going on a beautiful dinner cruise which had food and drinks included. I think it was a bottle of champagne or maybe a few glasses of champagne, and a beautiful meal, dessert, and great company, getting to meet other couples that were also celebrating this wonderful holiday. And the one thing that we loved is that the boat parked right in front of where the fireworks were to launch off that night. So we had the front row seats for one of the most magnificent fireworks shows we have ever seen in our lives. And honestly, it is more than we could have ever imagined. This was 10 times what we imagined was going to happen, and we were blown away, and we're still blown away of how beautiful it was. Barcelona was truly remarkable. Spending time at the Sagrada Familia was absolutely one of the most beautiful churches we have ever seen in our life, and the architecture is truly amazing. We loved our time so much in Barcelona that we barely had enough time to record any videos.
He lives in you.
And then there was this. I don't know what it is about Disney, but it just hits different. Standing there together with this playing in the background, it just felt like one of those moments that you don't forget. And John is such a huge fan of The Lion King, so this moment just felt so magical and so memorable for us. And just like that, our honeymoon was over. It went by way too fast. But honestly, this is just the beginning for us. If you want to follow along with our journey, we're just getting started. Stay tuned. Bye bye.